through my speech so they may understand what I say. I am standing here on this opportunity to express my views about Hazrat Allama wa Maulana Abdul Merit Siddiqui alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan and the importance of education. First of all, let us recite the Holy Truth on the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So read, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Maulana Muhammadin بارك وسلم صلوا عليه صلاة وسلام عليك يا رسول الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم. First of all, I want to say some lines of Ala Hazrat. लहद में इश्क़ रुखे शह का दाग लेके चलें, लहद में इश्क़ रुखे शह का दाग लेके चलें, अंधेरी रात सोनी थी चिराग लेके चले, और तेरे गुलामों का नक्शे कदम है राह खुदा, वो क्या बहक सके जो ये सुराग लेके चले, वो क्या बहक सके जो ये सुराग लेके चले. Roving ambassador of Islam, Hazrat Allama wa Maulana Abdul Merit Siddiqui alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan was born on 3 April 1892 in Meerut, India. He has from the noble Siddiqui family, who are direct descendants of Amirul Mu'minin Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in the 37th generation. His father, Hazrat Maulana Abdul Hakim Siddiqui al-Qadi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, was a distinguished scholar and a high-ranking alim of deen. He was also a Jawad Sufi, master of Qadiriyya, spiritual author. He took special care in the education of his son, who completed his Nazra of the Holy Quran at the tender age of 4. He studied elementary, Arabic and Persian under the guidance of his father at home, and was then enrolled at the local madrasa Al-Arabiyya Qawmiya, where he graduated as an alim. He then pursued his secular studies at Islamia High School until matric, grade 12. He then enrolled at Merit University, where he graduated bachelor's degrees with a distinction. Hazrat Allama wa Maulana Abdul Merit Siddiqui alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan, the international speaker of Islam, who spared the accurate teachings of Islam to the non-Muslim world, and whose great attempt helped umpteen number of people to accept Islam, especially many educationists and professors of them. He traveled continuously for 40 years to all parts of the globe, seeking to spare his concept of the spiritual reform and enlightenment to a major part of the world. He visited the Hijaz, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, South Africa, Mauritius, Kenya, China, Japan, Durban, Yunnan, France, United States of America, and Canada. He was a great scholar and he was a great Sufi writer, poet, an orator, and a scholar of the Islam and modern science. And you know that he spoke Arabic, Urdu, Persian, Malaysian, Indonesian, Japanese languages fluently. He told us that education is most important for us because education is the key of the success in this world and hereafter also. This is the first thing that causes us to know our end and our beginning to end. It is the knowledge that can connect us to our Creator and we can know His commands. And Almighty Allah said in the Holy Quran about the education, هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون? Are those with knowledge equal to those without knowledge? And Allah said in the Holy Quran, يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات. Allah will raise the status of those who believe among you and whoever given knowledge by degrees. And Anas bin Malik قال رسول الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Hazrat Anas bin Malik reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, the seeking of knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim. And Anas and Abu Hurairah قال رسول الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم من سلك طريقا يلتمس فيه علما سهل الله به طريقا إلى الجنة. Hazrat Abu Hurairah reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, whoever travels a path in search of knowledge, so Allah will make easy for him a path to paradise. And our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said in the hadith, اطلبوا العلم من المهد إلى اللحد, because no age for learn education. Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave. And our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said in the hadith, اطلبوا العلم ولو بالسين. Seek knowledge even you have to go to China. And I think, as you know, that education is very important for me and you and all person. Good and proper education plays a great role in shaping our future and professional career. So we cannot ignore the importance of education in our life at any cost. As you see daily in the society, lots of social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences, and so many problems are there because of the lack of proper education. And Nelson Mandela said about the education, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And education makes us right thinker and correct decision maker. So we should get education in present time. In last, I want to thank all respectable teachers who taught me how to distinguish between right and wrong, and who defined the knowledge. And to my parents who showed me that how to handle the difficulties of life. Almighty Allah Azza wa Jalla bless them and elevate their status in afterlife. And if you want to live a dignified life, please listen to me carefully because this word is very important for you. If you want to live a dignified life, अगर आप एक बावकार जिंदगी गुजारना चाहते हैं तो इल्म हासिल करें. If you want to live a dignified life, so get knowledge. And if you want to develop in your career, in your future, so use the time correctly. और अगर आप तरक्की चाहते हैं तो वक्त को सही इस्तेमाल करें, because الوقت كالسيف إن لم تقطعه فقطعك. إن لم تقطعه فقطعك. The time like a sword. If you will not cut it, so it will cut you. If you will not cut it, so it will cut you. So that's all. Thank you for love and support of me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.